Hello everyone, my name is Shaki and welcome you all my presentation. Today we are going to look at how Venn diagrams can help us to understand data relationships in SQL data logics. So uh, when we work with the database, we often to have bring different sets data together to find answers. So we do this using set operations like union, insert, exert, and join operations like inner, left, right, and full joins. So let's dive into the video. Uh, so first I will share my diagrams. Uh, yeah, this is the diagram, Venn diagram that I have found in online. So this is Spider-Man 2 game topic Venn diagram. So it have four different sets. One is combat, one is a traversal, and one is story, and both is villains. So, so combat is purple, and Traswell is light green, and the story is light red, and uh, villains are light yellow. So this is about all the colors and about the Venn diagram. So let's start SQL logics. So first is SQL set operations in union. So uh, so I answered um, six questions, more than 6 to 7 questions for my each Venn diagram by using the example questions by using the questions. So let dive into that. So yeah, this is my online Venn diagram that I found. So I used the questions and I answered them. So first question is SQL set union set operation union. So choose any two or more of the data sets in your Venn diagram. So which element would be included in the union of those data sets? So in this, so I have chosen combat and villains because when I union those two data sets together, so these include elements like web shooters and combo suits, powers, web gadgets, aerial attacks, and the boss fights, etc. And Miles spider sense, and moreover it etc. It's adds so many things. So I use it that comment and balance. And next second question is SQL set operations insert. So in insert, so how do you describe one segment of your Venn diagram and represent the intersection for a list of three data sets? For this question, I choose city events. So it is not just a story point, but it requires combat and traversal. So it helps you to unlock areas across the open world. And next for the third question, so I choose all four data sets: combat, traversal, story, and villains. So these elements of Venom original story is a outlier. So this game topic can be described as a part of story, villains, and traversal, but it does not belong to combat only list. Next for the fourth question, I have to join operation, inner operation. So I have chosen the inner joint result for four data sets would be the spider sense. See here with the spider sense. So it founds all the four categories: combat, traversal, story, and villains as the core all of all gameplay. And next, fifth question. I for left operation. So I chosen traversal and villains. At left, joins means all the elements from traversal and return are returned, and only those that matches from villains and web wings, fast travel, open, and NYC symbiote range, spider sense change, and sequences in the city pursuit. And finally, for the sixth question, skill join operation right side. So I have chosen traversal and villain. At the right join means all the elements from villain are returned and only those are matched from Travcell, Craven the Hunter of Legend Scream, and Venom original story symbiote, Arc, Spider-Sense change sequences, City Pure Soup. So these the things I did. So this is about my Spider-Man game Venn diagram with the question and answers. Next, go to for my second, which I drawn on with my own hands. So it is the topic about the Indian food flavor spectrum. So in this, I have four sets. One is uh, sweet only. One is natural. These are like taste like sweet, natural, spice, and savory only. So these are the food items and for the first question, I answered like for set operation union. I answered I choose sweet and neutral because when I union those two sets together, they are included elements like gulab jamun, rasgulla, kira fruit, kira fruit cream, and shalkan meeta, dali plain, basmati rice, plain roti, steam idli, etc. All everything. So So that way I choose an sweet and neutral. For SQL operation insert, I have chosen fruit cream and sheer khan is not spicy, it is sweet, it is neutral, and it uses mild dairy base to anchor the dessert flavor. For third question, set operation except I have chosen all four data sets like sweet, neutral, spicy, and savory. The elements of the Venlo is an outlier. This food item can be described as a pure spicy and instance, but it excludes the sweet and neutral savory gray components. And for the fourth question, I have chosen like for operation inner, I chosen that for my four data sets would be in Indian Thali mix. So if you can see in the middle Indian Thali mix, it found all the four categories at the same time: sweet, neutral, spicy, savory, because the traditional Thali plate holds all of the four flavors profiled together. And for the next fifth question, for operation left, I have chosen sweet and spicy because at the left join means all the elements from sweet are returned and only those that matches the spicy. So gulab jamun, rasgulla, kera fruit, cream, and shikanda meeta and dal, Indian Thai mix, shitil, purna, poli. These all comes under in it. And for the sixth question, I have for right operation, I have chosen sweet and spicy again. And the right join means all the elements from the spicy are returned and only those that matches from sweet, Vindol Fal, spicy chicken curry, Vindol gravy, and Indian Thal mix sweet, chill purna poli. So these all comes in it. So that's why I chosen this. And next, final last is question seven. So I have chosen for this operation full operation. So I have chosen savory and spicy. A full join means all the elements from both data sets are returned. So like dosa plain, paratha samosa, karamidu, and vada, spicy chicken curry, window gravy, Indian dal mix, window sweet chili, and Poran Pol. This all comes under it, and this is what I have answered the questions for my both Venn diagrams, which I have chosen in online, which I have drawn with my own hands. So next we go to the online resources. What I have chosen. So I have chosen three online resources for getting to know about these Venn diagrams and all the joints and types. So first I have chosen that I have with Bara. He's wonderful. It is a wonderful video and he explains very well. It is wonderful resource. He explains about insert, update and delete and also so on about about the data sets. He explains about more about them, and he explains very clearly. Uh, and also, I have chosen second one is I chosen as Adam Trainer. So how to join data school? He explained all the join datas very well with his simple terms. And it is really help. And next, uh, I have chosen Chandu. I mostly follow him because he gives very basic basics for people to it understands very well to me and to everyone. He explains very well. So I have chosen him. He explains about salad to wear everything. He explains very well simply. And I have chosen these resources. These are the three resources I have been chosen. And uh, this is about uh, my video. And uh, thanks for watching my video.